The challenge for you is to maximize your relationship experience with every contact and customer that you have. The more information you put in, the easier it's going to be for you to establish something known as buying motive. Why the customer is going to buy from you, and the easier it's going to be for you to create relationship moments with them. In other words, it's not just all about your sales message, it's all about you and your personal relationship combined with your business relationship with the people that can help you the most, your customers.
I love that term, relationship moments, because I think a lot of people, you throughout your week, somebody will pop into your head, and it's an opportunity to send something to them. Like, I know that guy or that gal would appreciate this, and you want to send something, but because we don't have a good vehicle, a lot of times those little relationship moments slip away. If it's super, super fast, then you can take advantage of a lot of those moments that pop into your head.
The challenge for every salesperson is to take advantage of the moment. Not take advantage of the customer, not take advantage of your company or your boss, the moment. And there are those moments that sort of slip away. When you finish a meeting, that's the time to respond. And with Ace of Sales, you can literally respond from your car. You can respond from your BlackBerry or your iPhone. And you can create some piece with them, some message with your customer that helps them feel like, oh, wow, I matter to this person. They are interested in my business because they're interested in me.